Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is from Matt in California, and I'm going to do a test of an Egas module from SL600, 600 SL of Mercedes. And right now for the test I got two throttles that I've recently repaired, so I just want to show you the operation. So they're being bench tested right now, so as you can see they do activate. Let me show it to you a little differently here. Just want to do this live, first time, I never seen this module. So here we have an activation. They do not open all the way, that's normal because it's on the bench, it's diagnostic here. So this is what we have, okay? They do activate. So for the test I'm not gonna shut down power supply, just gonna pull connectors off. Now as you can see, the temperature on the unit that's been working for a little bit already, actually all day, all night, 82. That's your unit right there. Its temperature is obviously, what am I doing here, 75, 75, 93, so throttle is hot obviously. So about 70 something. This one hits like even 90 because it's been working, and obviously they warm up when they work. Alright, so this unit was also mailed to be tested along with throttles. There were some concerns about this unit, but it works just fine. I'm just gonna do the connector swap right now. Just swap the power, and so you can see that I'm doing this live. So we know for a fact if Egas module of yours defective or not defective. Okay, let me just move this over here. So let's take your Egas, put the connector on it. On. Alright, so for the power, I'm gonna do it pretty much the same way. Let's try it. You have to put the power on quick though. Nothing. This Egas module is totally dead. I plugged it in. Nothing. Alright, so let me do the power switch on and off. Let's see if it clicks or do something. Yes, there was a click. I heard it. Very faint. I don't know if you can hear the faint click. Yeah, there was a little faint click to it. Try it once more. Yes, there was like a very faint click in the unit. So at least seems like the power circuit is good. So I'll open it up and see what I find inside, because this is clearly a non-working unit. Just to prove it once more, I can show you again that when I plug in known working unit, throttles activate. Okay, and it's kind of difficult to do it with one hand, but it is what it is. This is the one that's been energized. That's the one that we've been testing. This one came all the way from Brazil actually, this Egas to be tested. Power. There. Oops. There. Power is on. And both throttles activate. Yours, not so much, unfortunately. Alright, so I'll open it up and see what we can do with it. I mean, if I can fix it or not, because I've got quite of modules over here. Some are good, some are not. But, you know, I just collect these things because this is from one of my cars. The cruise control is not working, but it's not because of the module. The module is actually okay. It was neutral safety switch. Here's another one. So I mean, I do collect them because they're very rare, and from time to time I sell one. This is a parts module right here. This one is totally dead. This one blew up actually, just to show you. This is somebody else's module. This thing blew up. I don't know what the hell happened here, but not interested in doing anything with it because this is pretty horrible. So you know, this is the situations. You buy used module, you get the one that looks like this, because this customer with this one bought three. All three were dead. So, and that's the little later style 2232, which is fine, just like this one, 2232. This one is 0432. Not a big deal. I mean, they pretty much work the same. But you saw, this is just terrible. I mean, this is gone. All right, so I'll cut this video quits, and that's about it. So we'll move on with the module now. Again, this is Victor at restoreyourmercedes.com. Thank you for watching.